my name is Savannah Watson, and the piece that I wrote is a choral piece that is based off of the story of Icarus, and it is also called Icarus for that reason. But the story of Icarus is a Greek myth about a father and a son. The father and son, who is Icarus, were banished to a prison on an island. The father, who was an inventor, created wax wings for himself and his son to escape. He warned Icarus not to fly too close to the sun, or his wings would melt. Icarus didn't listen and flew towards the sun, causing his wings to melt and for him to fall and drown. The moral of the story tends to be about obeying good advice and not being reckless, but I wanted to focus on a different idea. In this interpretation, Icarus is in love with the sun and is willing to die for his love. This kind of sacrificial love is shown in the text and through the music. Thank you.
I see her beauty and